We're diving into the world of Karens and their outrageous actions. They believe they can get away with anything, but what happens when they cross the line with the wrong person? Today, we take a look at these Karens who were accused and sentenced to the maximum penalty for their crimes. So let's get started with this Karen who went viral after a video showed her racist rant.
Jesus.
Would you do everybody a favor and get a life? Try getting a job.
I have a job.
What? Exercising on the stairs?
No, I do have a job.
You are a
Where's Okay.
calling Jesus to help you? You can be on the stairs, you little bitch. Everybody uses the stairs, you little bitch. That's all you are is a We don't play games here anymore, okay? The next time you ever talk to me like that, you're gonna get your ass kicked by my family. And they're gonna f you up.
What did I do?
Right. They're gonna f you
Why?
up.
What did I do?
Because you are an look at the whole stairs to
But
yourself.
you had these
Why
stairs
don't you
and
go
that
somewhere
stairs.
else where you can go to a gym? This is not just for you.
Oh, you
Get
need
the out of this world. Get the out of this state. Go back to whatever Asian country you belong in.
Okay, racist.
This is not your place. This is not your home. We do not want you here. You
Ooh.
put that on Facebook. I hope you do, because every person will beat the crap out of you from here on out. Don't you ever say, "Oh, Jesus," to me when I want to use the stairs, you little.
There's other stairs.
You are a sick, ignorant teenager.
Oh, thank
wait,
you.
you're a middle-aged woman. Who wears black in California sun? Who the black? Are you in? You wear black in California sun? Seriously?
Wow.
Another video of a separate incident featuring the same woman surfaced less than a week later.
Great. Did you just make a racist comment?
You know what? I am not a racist person.
You just made a
But you know
racist
what?
comment.
You need to go home.
I am from here.
Look it. Go home.
I am here from here.
Go home. I don't care about your Facebook or your video.
Oh, okay. You're
Do you
making
know
a
how
racist
many
comment
people
right
can't
now?
stand you being
Oh,
here?
great.
You play games. We don't play games.
Oh, what kind of game are you playing?
I play games where you get to death.
Oh, okay. Well, great. Let me take your card. Let me put your number plate too.
You get away
Great.
from me.
So this lady
I'm calling the
just
police on
made
you.
a racist comment. I can't believe this.
You are going to go to real jail now.
Well, great. You are.
Understand me, kind of man?
I think you're going.
Understand me, kind of man? You understand me, kind of man?
Respect.
Respect.
Respect people.
Respect.
Lady.
I can understand your language, China
Respect.
man.
Lady.
Respect? Then you move your car. You're
There you
way
go.
too close. Get away from me.
There you go. You don't even know how to park the car. You don't
know who
even
my
know.
family is?
There you go.
Do you know who my family is? Do you know who your family is? Go home to your family. This is from your government.
Respect,
Go home.
lady.
Go home.
Get
This is
educated
from my
and
government.
respect.
This is from my government.
Get
Go home.
educated and
You're gonna get.
get
You're gonna get. This is my.
get
country.
educated and respect, lady.
This is my.
Did you
country,
finish
and
college?
This is from my government.
Did you finish
Go
college?
Home.
Did you finish
Put
college?
that on your Facebook.
Did you?
You know what?
Did you?
You are nothing. What did you say?
You're nothing.
I said,
Exactly.
what?
You're nothing right there.
What?
Lady, get educated and respect.
little boyfriend.
But it gets worse. Just wait.
He points down at me and says, "You better not get the F up or else." And then I get up, of course, and then that's when she physically grabs my hair and pushes me down and starts punching the back of my head.
That's right, she allegedly assaulted a woman in a mall. The lady was identified as Lena Hernandez, and it was later reported that she had been sentenced to serve 47 days in jail, to take 52 anger management sessions, and to be placed on 3 years of summary probation. On Monday, Hernandez said she was unable to pay for the sessions. The victim, Kayceline Salamino, and the people were requesting 60 hours of community labor in lieu of the anger management sessions. The judge ordered Hernandez to complete 80 hours of community service. In a surprising twist, this Karen, or better known as Soho Karen, misplaces her iPhone and then falsely accuses a teenage male of theft, leading to a chaotic situation.
Show me
This is my phone.
Show me. No.
You don't have to explain nothing to her.
Take the case off. That's mine. Literally, get it back, please.
Are you kidding me? You feel like there's only one iPhone made in the world?
No. Okay, then show me the.
No.
Show me all my.
Get a life
Over
Yeah,
there.
no,
What's
go
on your
over there.
background?
You better go use find my iPhone. Go
Yeah.
do that.
Find my iPhone is on.
Can you
On now,
come in?
right now.
No, you can't. No.
I'm
you
the
can't.
manager of the hotel.
I don't care.
He will
This
right
is my
now.
son.
Hey, and
Didn't you see me just come downstairs out of the elevator?
I'm trying to help.
No, but you're not helping.
I
What
am.
you've been is disrespectful.
No, I'm trying to settle the
No.
situation.
I'm
asking
my son
can I-
has nothing to do with her.
No.
I'm trying to figure
yeah,
out what's
but
going
he has
on
my
in the
phone.
lobby.
Then show me the proof. No, he's not leaving. Show me the proof.
Oh, you better get on.
I need you away.
Let's go,
I
kid.
need you away.
I'm sorry.
Better get on. We have what you see two black people.
No, I'm not letting him walk away with my phone.
Better get on somewhere,
No, please
lady.
get my phone back. I cannot not have my phone.
Listen, get your.
What became of the iPhone, you ask? Well, it was accidentally left behind in the Uber during the trip to the shops. Instead of trying to track down her phone through an app or on her own, she ended up facing 4 unexpected felony charges. Here's a glimpse of the courtroom proceedings.
Apparently a warrant from the state of New York alleging felony violations for attempted robbery in the 3rd degree, endangering the welfare of a child, attempted grand larceny in the 4th degree, and attempted assault in the 3rd degree.
But it doesn't stop there, because 4 months later, the 22-year-old landed herself a new offense and was charged with a DUI, resisting arrest, and obstructing a police officer. Finally, they all arrived at a gas station, and once more, she displayed a total lack of control. Cops say they eventually were able to get a reading on her blood alcohol level, 0.14, almost twice the legal limit. It's believed after the videos went viral online, she tried to flee Manhattan, but it was too late. Months later, when she found herself in court, things didn't unfold according to her expectations. During a status hearing, her attorney informed the judge that they were working toward resolving the hate crime charge in the coming months and expressed a belief that she was overcharged. Despite her continued assertion that she was not at fault for confronting the teenager in a hotel lobby regarding her missing phone, Soho Karen was hit with additional charges, including a hate crime charge that could potentially lead to a 10-year jail sentence if she's found guilty. Coming up next, this troublesome neighbor was caught messing with a doorbell camera, saying it spies on his house, but it's pretty clear it doesn't. Following that initial unsuccessful endeavor, he makes the choice to have another go at it. And he even tried again. He was later identified as Stephen Grove, and was later reported that he pleaded guilty to criminal damage after CCTV captured him in the act snipping its wires with pliers, and was handed a 12-month conditional discharge. Watch as this Karen loses her cool and thinks she owns the country.
So you need to speak English.
I'm sorry about you, man.
Well, I'm sorry about you too.
Why?
Get the out of my country.
Hey, see? Do you only want the U.S. citizens?
No, I don't think you
so
are.
what? You. So now it's just because what I look. Do you see that's the problem?
No,
that's
I don't
in
have.
you. That's
I don't
in
have
your
any
mind.
problem with
That's
the way.
in your mind.
I don't have any problem with the way you look. I don't have any problem with the way you look.
I'm a U.S. citizen. What is your problem?
I don't have any
What
problem.
is your problem?
Will you shut up? I don't have any problem with the way you look.
I'm sorry.
Now things really start to get heated.
I'm gonna pay for what you got, okay? So can you please exit the restaurant, please? So I'm gonna pay. I'll take care of that. I'll take care of everything what you got, okay? Please. If
So
that's what you're looking.
I got by
Jail.
illegal aliens. I got by illegal aliens. You can't speak English, and you want me to be nice to you?
Do you see?
We now have the Central Park Karen claim she exhausted all options before she called 911 on a bird watcher after he asked her to put her dog on a leash.
Would you please stop? Sir, I'm asking you to stop.
Please don't come close to me.
Sir, I'm asking you to stop recording me.
Please don't come close to me.
Please take your phone off.
Please don't come close to
And
me.
I'm taking a picture and calling the cops.
Please call the cops. Please call the cops.
I'm going to tell them there's an African American man threatening my life.
Please tell them whatever you like.
Excuse me? I'm sorry, I'm in the ramble, and there is a man, African American, he has a bicycle helmet. He is recording me and threatening me and my dog. There is an African American man, I am in Central Park. He is recording me and threatening myself and my dog. And my... I'm sorry, I can't hear you either. I'm being threatened by a man in the ramble. Please send the cops immediately. I'm in Central Park in the ramble. I don't know.
Thank you.
However, that wasn't the sole phone call she placed that day. According to reports, immediately after recording, she dialed again, alleging she had been assaulted. Cooper had faced up to a year in prison on the charge of falsely reporting an incident in the 3rd degree. But a judge granted Manhattan prosecutors' request to dismiss Cooper's case after she completed 5 therapy sessions. However, that's not everything that she received, as it was later released that after reviewing the Central Park incident, we've terminated the employee involved immediately. Racism is not tolerated at Franklin Templeton. Cooper sued her ex-employer in 2021, alleging the company illegally fired her without performing a legitimate internal review, however, later lost the court case. Up next, we came across this Karen who continuously makes racist comments to these workers, telling them to speak English, and even asking if anybody is illegal. You have to see this.
Is English. Doesn't matter. It's still English. It's English. 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 Is anybody here illegal? Are these guys illegal? What's the name of this company? Look at this. Look at this. It's America. Speak English. Speak English. So this is a foreman working for this company, Morans. And he's speaking Spanish to these guys. So your tax dollars up here in New Hampshire. That's what's going on here. That's what's going on here. That is what's going on. So now they have people who don't speak English who are putting in...
Take a look at what happens when someone tries to defuse the situation.
Are they in America?
Yes.
Okay, they should be speaking English.
Why? Who said,
they should be speaking English.
Because what?
They should be speaking English. Are they illegal aliens? They don't speak the language?
What does speaking the language have to do with
Do they not speak the language?
When you drive into the state, what does it say?
Do they not speak the language?
I have no idea.
Okay, why do you care?
Because
I wasn't talking to you.
You're harassing me.
I have a right.
To harass people?
How am I harassing them?
You're yelling at them.
Am I yelling?
Yes.
Oh yeah, okay.
I can hear you
Are they
across
illegal?
the street.
So
I'm trying to enjoy my lunch.
So then go enjoy your lunch. Why are you wearing a mask?
Why am I wearing a mask?
Yeah.
I don't know. There's a global pandemic.
Really? Okay. Okay. So this guy decided that he's going to come over here and be a social justice warrior. Right.
Like all Karens, this lady was later identified as Diana Kloss, and here is what she had to say on Facebook after the incident. Good morning. So, if you want people in America to speak English, that makes you a racist. I'm not backing down. However, she was forced to remove when a petition for her to be removed from a radio show, with a post later surfacing saying this: no longer associated or affiliated in any way with WSMN or Bardis Russell Broadcasting. Here's a funny one. This lady, let's call her a Karen, told a Starbucks worker that next time they meet, she'll bring the cops and a doctor's note. Why? Because they wouldn't serve her without a mask. Later on, the Karen came back to the store, not with the police, but with a sheet of paper. She held it up like a shield and insisted on being served.
I don't. I have a medical exemption. Wow, they just shut the doors. They won't even serve me.
Are you recording?
I am. You're live. Because I'm sick of being discriminated against and I don't have a mask. I have a mask and a medical exemption. I have a mask and a medical exemption. They just shut the door on me. I want your name. I want your names. I'm suing this whole store. You guys are gonna be sued. I'm suing you. I want your names. Regina, who else is on staff right now?
I'm the manager in charge right now.
Regina, this is discrimination. Are you aware of California 51A, Civil Section Codes 51A? It says we have the right to shop anywhere we want, regardless of age, sexual orientation, race, or medical condition.
Okay, and I understand that, but we have the right to refuse.
You really don't. You're abusing the law, and I will sue you. You know what? Lennon lost his job. I'm Amber, and you know what? You guys are gonna get sued. I didn't think I was gonna sue you, but now I'm suing you. Yeah, you know what? I got $5,000 donated to me. I did to Matt, and you know what? I said I wasn't gonna sue you guys, but you guys are next. Starting with this store. Laughing at me. Look at them. Laughing at somebody with a disability.
Okay, so ma'am, do you mind exiting our drive-thru, please?
Have fun getting fired and shut down.
Bye, have a good day.
Yeah, you guys have a great day.
Frustrated, she posted this online. Lennon later released a video about his side of the story. Roll the clip.
Hi everyone, my name is Lennon Gutierrez, and I just want to start off by saying thank you for all the love and support. It's been so helpful, and it's so shocking to see something get so big that only happened within a few minutes. But before I get into that, this is my side of the story and my opinions. Nothing on behalf of Starbucks. So on that day, I was assigned the front register. I was helping customers through, and this lady came up. She had a face mask. I asked her, "Do you have a face mask?" And she told me, "No, I don't need one." And I was going to show her the paper that we've been provided saying that we've been required face masks, but we can still help. But before I can say anything, she flipped me off. She said, "No, I don't need one." And she started cursing up a storm. She started calling people sheep, and she left. And then within a few minutes, she came back and she asked for my name. I said it was Lennon. She took a photo of me and said, "I'm calling corporate," and started cursing some more at everyone and just left. And this time for good. And I thought that was going to be the end of it. I didn't know it was going to come to this.
This particular Karen didn't succeed, and when she learned that someone had started a GoFundMe for the Starbucks worker, which raised more than $100,000, she declared her intention to sue for half of it.
Effective. One of them, I get shortness of breath, dizziness, and it messes with the heartbeat. And I do have asthma as well. So I do get maskne. So there's several things going on, and not only that,
But the judge said nope. In court, a big shot judge rejected her problem and told her to forget about it. Shortly after this, Amber was denied access to a fruit shop for the exact same reason. With an article reading, she filed an 11-page federal lawsuit against a farmer's market when they wouldn't let her in. But just like last time, she got denied in court, and they told her to move on. Here comes another individual with offensive comments directed at a female protester. Watch this.
matter. What lives matter, you twisted, crazy person.
There you go. Let her talk. Let her talk. Let her say whatever she wants to say.
What are you gonna do?
Say whatever.
What are you gonna do?
Say whatever you want to say.
Run and cry.
No, say whatever you want to say.
Don't tell her shit. I didn't say a word. I'm standing here. How's it going?
You need to move your head. What lives matter? You're just a poor little black girl who's got a messed up mind.
That's it.
What lives matter? What lives matter?
It's not true. I know it's not true. I know my worth. I know my
What
worth.
lives matter?
On that very day, in a separate incident, encouraged by another protester's backing, she utters these words.
You're a liar! What lives matter, sister? What lives matter? What lives are matter? What lives matter?
Unfortunately for this Karen, reports indicate that on that day she uttered, "I'm not going to lose my job. No, 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 you don't know where I work." However, due to the state of the world we currently inhabit, she was recognized and, as a result, she lost her job. During a phone conversation lasting over 20 minutes, she mentioned, "I no longer have a job. They did what they had to do to protect their business," which forced her to apologize with this statement. "I would like to apologize to the little girl. I did not know that she was a minor." This individual, nicknamed Cornerstone Caroline, wrongly accused a child of touching her from behind while they were at the store. However, when the store reviewed security footage, it revealed the true sequence of events.
Egg and cheese on a roll, salt, pepper, ketchup. Yeah, she was wrong.
You had like 5 witnesses who saw it.
No, I spoke to that lady in the blue shirt.
Oh, that's good.
As we can clearly see, the kid never touched the lady.
And then she calls the cops.
Afterward, this corner store Karen positions herself in front of the shop, making a phone call to the police.
Bureau?
No, I want the cops here right now.
No,
I'll talk to you.
I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna stay right here.
Oh, man.
The cops are right down the block. I can go hide.
What happened?
White lady calls the cops on a black lady. I get it. Yeah, they're videotaping. She's mentally ill. Yeah.
Mentally
Listen,
ill.
I'm a kid. Listen, you remember me, right? Yes, from school, right?
Yeah,
That's right. The son grabbed my.
She said
And
that
she
my son
decided
touched
to
her ass.
yell
I'm
at
gonna stay here. So I'm gonna stay right
So-
here.
Security
So
camera.
your
Don't
son
stay
got
nowhere.
that?
Go home.
Let's make it go
Go
viral.
home. No. Let me go.
No, not her.
No. No.
Come on. She's calling police on a black
Go
woman because of
home.
her
She needs to
son.
go home. Don't do this.
Following the incident, the boy spoke to the media, stating that he couldn't forgive this woman and believed she needed assistance. Nevertheless, corner store Caroline had her own perspective on the matter.
What I felt was across both cheeks. I didn't know what had happened.
That's right. The son grabbed.
She's now written "Do not knock" on her apartment door.
I regret that I escalated the situation. I should simply have said, "Don't touch me." I shouldn't have cursed.
She eventually apologized to the boy, but her apology didn't appear sincere, as it was brief, and said, "I would like to apologize to her daughter and her son, but not to her. She could have walked away, but she didn't."